out here with the Associated Rival MT10 out again. I've changed out the radio, swapped out the radio and that. I got this radio. I used to run this radio on my X-Max. You see, you got the X-Max label at the bottom of it. So this radio receiver should be all right, man. My X-Max is in pieces. It's not going to be on the road anytime soon, you know what I mean? So I just nicked this radio receiver from it for now. So I've also had to mod the battery tray, because I've got a 3S fluorine battery in there and the battery's long, so I had to basically, I'm just strapping this controller onto my GoPro mount. So I basically, back to the battery box. See, I've got a fluorine battery in here. It's a 5,500 mAh, but just 35C. But I had to mod the battery tray slightly. I don't want to take the battery out, man, because it's still a tight fit and it's not exactly flush. But there was a lip at the end of the battery tray in this corner. So I basically chopped it down to get the battery to fit, man. So let's turn this controller on and just see. Yeah, this is 3S. The battery is 3S, so I'm running 3S. So let's see the difference, man. I was thinking of charging up another 2S battery, but yeah, that's all right. I've basically tested it quickly when I put the what did I do? Yeah, when I had to calibrate the receiver and the controller, and it wasn't going into limp mode, so it was basically set first off. I should have really put an aerial thing on this, the aerial lead. I'll just tuck it in. So let's see if this is any different, man, on 3S. So say 120 ESC. I bought on Amazon the other day. Bloody hell, this is 3S, man. Full. Let me see if I can turn up the throttle rate on this controller, man. It's a bit slow for 3S. Oh, that's better. That's better. I turned up the throttle rate. Yeah, it's better. I don't seem to have much steering now, man. I've lost steering. I ain't got much steering. Jeez. On one side, I ain't got steering at all on one side. Let's just jump the truck, man. Yeah, the steering is a bit... I'm not sure what's going on with the steering, man. It's only steering on one side. Let's send it in a skate park, man. Fuck it. The steering is fucked on this car. I'm only steering on one side. I only got steering on one side, man. See? Oh. Something happened. Something happened. Something happened. Jeez. A fucking one jump. One jump. This broke again. Fuck, this shit broke again. This truck's supposed to be durable. Most durable truck. And I landed it. The cup broke. You see the drive cup in there? That's broke. Fucking durable cup. Durable car. This is supposed to be the most durable truck. 3S. Arm snap, brand new arm snap. This plate, skid plate, arm, both sides snapped. Cup snapped. That's why you hear the rattling noise. The center drive shaft has come out of the cup because the cup snapped. Fucking durable truck. This truck ain't durable, man. Steering is fucked. I don't know what's going on with this fucking steering. I ain't got no steering. Jeez. Fuck that. Move on. Move on to the next rig, man.